Hey guys, we are going to do airplane trick shots. So I made my paper airplane. If you want to learn how to make a paper airplane, I've already made a video and it's on the ORC YouTube if you want to look it up. But I made it with some ORC paper while I was working, and now we're going to do some trick shots. Okay, so the first trick shot I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and just get it into this bucket. Oh, well that was easy. Might not be easy for you guys. But try it again. I'll try it again. See? I missed. Okay. This one, I'm going to try going underneath my leg and getting it into the bucket. Oh. Oh my god! That was so cool! Okay, that worked. Now I'm going to try and see if it'll go really far underneath my leg. I'm having way too much fun with this. Okay, I'm going to try. I'm going to sitting. Good job, guys.